So I've known who Dr. Schmidt is for quite some time. And honestly, I had referred a couple patients to him that happened to be in long-term recovery. And I like how he doesn't prescribe a lot of pain medicines or any for that matter. And he looks for the solution to the pain. And so I was going through a lot of pain with my back and I was overweight. And I looked at my wife about 2 years ago and I was like, why don't I call Dr. Schmidt? And so I called him and we ended up meeting here. And what I love about this place is it's not, hey, I've got 52 solutions. It's what is the problem and then let's start working back. And they fixed my back first through PRP. And I honestly didn't believe it. He and Alex were talking about this, take the healthy antibodies and they're going to spin it around and they're going to put it in your back. And I thought, yeah, whatever. And about 2 weeks after the procedure, I went out to go throw baseballs with CJ and I didn't have pain, like for the first time in as long as I can remember. And so then I came back and I had some low testosterone and we did that and now I don't need it anymore and they didn't push it on me, which I thought was fantastic, right? And then I was having a hard time with sugar. I don't really care what I look like. I'm 50 and happily married, but the amount of sugar that I was eating was ridiculous and it was messing with my quality of life. So I am taking the weight loss shots and I told my business partner the other day I feel 18 and he joked and he said, no, you can't feel that young. And so I feel like 30. But the really neat part about this clinic is recently I came in to meet with Alex and I was so excited because I felt good and I told him I'm going to start working out all the time. I'm going to go to the gym, I'm going to run 5 miles a day and work out. And he, without telling me I was a moron, he said, let's talk about what your life can look like over the next 70 years. I mean, the next 20 years from 50 to 70. Like, do you really need to go work out 5 days a week? Like, you can't go 0 to 100. And so we're going to start a path of what this clinic can do for me so I can be here for my grandchildren, right? And that's the most important piece. But I can tell you this, 2 years ago, I've always been happy, joyous, and free, but it came at a cost for me. And ever since I've come here, like it's renewed my life.